What it do, YouTube fam? Riding in the Chevy. Oh yeah, you hear it, you hear it, you hear it. Going to get some what?
Barbecue.
Going to get some brisket, y'all. Brisket and ribs and potato salad and
Mac and cheese.
mac and cheese. And that's it?
Biscuit.
Biscuits. Yeah, so somebody she used to work with, sorry for the noise, but somebody she used to work with is making some brisket barbecue, so we're gonna go pick it up. For charity. So I'll tune back in with y'all when it's a little bit more quiet. They don't know what's up. They don't know how we roll in the box Chevy. I ain't even got a speedometer. I don't even know how fast it's going. Ain't nothing like riding the old school. Alright, y'all, we made it to this spot to get this brisket and barbecue and things like that, and actually just raising money just for charity. So we said, heck yeah, we drive out here to get some brisket. So we just here just chilling right now, just kind of just waiting. She actually went up there, went inside, and I'm just chilling in the Chevy. But yeah, man, this thing's riding good, man. It's riding really good. This feels good to drive this thing. And since the reel is down again, man, I just needed a break from that thing and take the Chevy out. Been a long time since I drove the Chevy, man. And so we just needed to get out, man. We were like cruising down the freeway, man. I mean, I was going like 80, 90 and just passing everybody, man, because we're supposed to be here at a certain time, but ended up just making it just a little bit after noon, and we're supposed to be here before noon. So what to do, y'all? Now we are chilling in a parking lot in the shade. Actually kind of warm today, so we parked in the shade here, and we were starving, and we were up near our favorite joint called HB Beverage Company, and all they do is, well, not all they do, but they have some of the best acai bowls. So I was starving, we were starving, so we decided to pull over and get some of that. Wasn't able to show you guys the brisket yet, but it's all boxed up and everything, so we didn't want to open it up or anything like that. But when we get home a little later tonight, we're gonna have it for dinner. Then I'll show you guys. right, y'all, making one more stop, but we got that AC blowing cold, 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 blowing snowballs up in here, y'all. So I hear everybody in their box Chevy talking about, gotta have that AC in it, gotta have that AC in it. Well, yep, your boy done added that AC in there. Working good, too. Yep. So we riding, we making one more pit stop to Ace Hardware. I gotta get a little roller for some painting or some repair work that I'm doing on my jet ski. So, but yeah, y'all, it's AC going cold. Let's see where she running at. Coolant's at about 205 right now. So that's when my dual fans kick on at 205. And then they, I think they cut off at 195, I think. So, but yeah, man, we rolling. We rolling. One thing about the AC too, since I don't really use the AC too much, I haven't really tested it out since I've wired in the signal to the computer. So if you guys didn't know, if you haven't seen my video on these LS motors, the ECU just needs to see a signal from the AC showing that it's on. And then once it's on, it's supposed to be able to manage the idle a little bit better. Because before, I was having a trouble with it dying. Hold on, let me make this turn. Yeah, so I was having trouble with the idle just being all sporadic and dying when I came to a stop sign or a stoplight. So we just came to a stoplight and it seemed to be idle and pretty consistent. So now we're pulling into Ace, so I'm gonna go ahead and park. Kind of see what this thing does. You see, there's the idle. Yeah, it's idling pretty consistent right now. Say that bad boy work. Yeah, so we up in Ace Hardware. Your boy got his mask on. Looking for a paint roller. Let's see if we can find one. Alright, so here we go. All I'm looking for is a small, tiny roller. Small one. Boom. Got it right here, y'all. So yeah, what I'm doing is on a jet ski there's a gel coat. So it's not a clear coat, it's a gel coat that withstands water a little bit better. And it's specifically for the water, so that's what you see on like boats and stuff like that. So since mine's a little bit older, from people beaching it and stuff like that on the rocks and the sand and whatnot, it's rubbed away that gel coat, and the fiberglass is actually showing. So, and if the fiberglass gets wet, then it starts to kind of seep into the fiberglass, and it's not really good, especially for the bottom of the jet ski and the hull. So I'm actually trying to recoat it. So that's what I need this for. I've actually already recoated it. And I'm applying the final coat now, and I'm using this roller to get it done. Oh yeah, leaving Ace now. Got what we came for. She had to go to the bathroom. Nasty, use the bathroom in Corona. Corona. You nasty. Ooh, look at that Chevy though. Look at that Chevy. OG clean. When they say OG clean, that's what they mean. OG clean. We coolin'. run good too. 195 with the AC on. Hey. 195, the AC on, man. Oh yeah. Back at the crib. Still repping the Texas Book Fest badge. OG hubcaps. Custom. Wait, do they spin? Wait, do they spin? Oh wait. Yeah, they only spin when they drive, y'all. Alright, y'all, so this is what this whole trip was for. I want to get this barbecue. Let's see what this looks like. Let's see if he holds any weight. What y'all think? Get in them comments, y'all. Let me know what y'all think. Looks any good to you? Yes, no, maybe so. I don't know. I'll tell you one thing. I'm still going to eat it, though. And I'm the sauce man. And my girl asked for extra sauce. And he didn't give us no extra sauce. So we got to figure something out. You said that he didn't give us extra sauce.
That'd be nice.
What?
Close personal friend.
Close personal friend did give us some extra sauce, but it's all good. It's all good. But appreciate it, man. It's still for a good cause, so all the proceeds go to what charity? See, she don't even know charity. As far as I know, he might be pocketing this money. Anyways, so yeah, but looks like we got some bread. What is this? Cornbread?
A biscuit.
I don't even know. Biscuit. It might be a cross between a biscuit cornbread. Who knows? I don't know, but I'm still gonna eat it anyway. Brisket. There's a rib down there somewhere. Little sausage link. And then you got some mac and cheese and what's the potato salad. So we'll see, man. Everybody has their own mix on how they make this kind of stuff. So it'll be interesting to see how his style is. Regardless, it's going down. And let's look at the ladies' plate. So when I first opened this up, I opened these up before on video, but when I opened this up, this is what I saw. And I was like, we drove all the way out there for this? What the?
That's mine.
But this is the ladies' plate, y'all. She's venturing out. She doesn't eat too much meat, and so hopefully this doesn't upset her stomach too much. She tries to stay away from as much meat as she can. So you can't fault her on the plate, y'all. So just maybe look at mine instead. So so anyways, y'all, this is it. And this is going to conclude this video. You guys know what to do, man. Get in the comment section. Let me know what you think about the his and her plate. All right? You guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Share, do all that good stuff. Stick with me. We got this. Holla.